Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about loader bushings and pins. So we are finding more and more as tractors come in to get checked over that the front loader pins are worn to the point where they should be replaced, and the bushings as well. What we'd like you to check is especially the pivot pin on your loader and then the bucket pins. The 4 pins that you see here seem to take the biggest amount of load, the links as well as the actual pivots. So come to the parts department, get 1 new pin and 1 new set of bushings, and then you can take 1 pin out at a time and you can check the tolerance with a new pin. Relatively cheap to replace. You're probably under $1,000 for parts to do it, and it doesn't take a lot of time, so it will save the life of your loader. We've had loaders where pins seize up or pins wear out, and then you have to go to a machine shop and have things reamed out and new bushings welded in. So just take time to have a peek at that. You can usually put your bucket down on the ground and wiggle it and see if there's some movement there, or take the bucket off and just use your hands, and you can see if there's a bunch of movement there in your loader pins at the bucket tilt, and then get those new parts and check everything out. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.